What is up, guys? My name is MT from Moonboy Productions, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a star jar. They're super simple to make and really cool when they're finished. Yes, they're really cool. Like, all you really need is a jar. I'll go into the ingredients later. Also, before we start, if you enjoy my content, hit subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss one of my uploads. Also, don't forget to go to my store, moonboyproductions.store, link in the description. Anyway, let's start. Alrighty, so to be able to make this, you're going to need paper towels so you don't get stuff all over the table. Paper towels. You're going to need a pint-sized jar. I'm going to be using, I think this is a pint. I don't know. I'm not very good at that stuff. I'm going to be using a mason jar. You're going to need 2 to 4 glow sticks. I'm going to be using 2 in this demonstration. You're going to need glitter with some pretty big flakes. CE, big flakes. You're also going to need something sharp to cut through the glow sticks, because the glow sticks, well, are very thick and kitchen scissors just won't do the job. So now that you know what we have and what you're going to need, let's start building this thing, or making this thing, I don't know. Alright, so we have our stuff set up here, and these are already activated. If you guys don't know how to activate a glow stick, all you basically got to do is you got to snap them like that really hard, and then they eventually glow. Let's just make sure these are on. They are on. I can confirm them. So, we're just going to be very careful here and open up our jar lid. Whoa, that's hot. And we're going to take our sharp things. Now, be very careful with this one. I'm just going to cut it. Let's see. I have paper towels down underneath so you don't get glow stick juice all over the place. Well, there goes that cap. It just went flying. Pour this glow stick in. Now, you aren't going to get everything in the container. I think that is pretty good, since he has no top anymore. Let's move on to this. Oh, I got radioactive stuff on my finger. It's glowing. Alright. This one, a little bit more juice in it, so we're just going to be a little bit carefuler. That lid also went flying. What does it take for these lids not to go flying? Huh, I didn't know that. So expose the guts of a glow stick. I never knew that was on the inside of a glow stick. Yeah, I'm glad I put paper towels down. Okay, so now I'm gonna take your glitter. I'm gonna leave these right here so they don't get stuff all over the place. And I'm just gonna open up the lid. It'll be much easier. Basically, you're just gonna pour, I don't know, maybe that much in. Eyeball it until you feel like you have enough. Now the glitter is supposed to act like stars, so you should want to put like an equivalent amount for like 1% of the whole stars in the Milky Way. I think there's like 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way. Alright, no, that's enough. Alright, so now you're going to put the lid on, and you're just going to shake it, shake it, shake it. Whoa, pretty. And shaky, 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 shaky. Alright, so now, turn the lights off. It is glowing, and you guys probably can't see this on the camera, but the glitter has stuck to the sides of the jar and is making it almost look like stars. I think I put a good amount in there. Anyway, that's how to make these. Super simple and super cool when they're finished. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this is just the first of many more how-tos to come. This thing is so cool. Like, it's insane. And clean up crap. Oh god. I gotta clean this up. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Peace out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to go over to moonboyproductions.store. That is moonboyproductions.store to get some super duper duper cool space merch. The cool space merch in the universe. Also, don't forget to smash subscribe and turn notifications on so you never miss an upload. Anyway, I gotta go. Peace out. You guys are awesome.